This is our jQuery course related to 17 tutorials, and in this course you're going to learn two methods of jQuery called remove and empty. Let's assume that we have a div and some meters are written inside it. You want to remove all the meters inside it from jQuery. That is, to do something with it, we have a special method in jQuery, which we call the MIT method. Let's assume that you want to remove this div or any tag from it. For this, we have a special method here, which we call the remove method. Let's see how we can practically use these two methods. Look here. Here we have created our basic custom document. Here there is a heading at the top, a subheading below it, a paragraph inside it, and a paragraph, a dummy paragraph. And below we have placed two buttons, AMT and remove. We are going to do our next practical on both of these. Let's see about MT and remove. For that, look here. We will also do our HT and remove. And look below. I have put an ID on our buttons, AMT Media Remove BTS. So let's see. Let's start its practical. First, I write my script. Now first of all, inside it. And inside this I create a function of my own. As soon as the document is ready, this function will run. Now inside this, I want as soon as I click on the anti button, which has the ID MTPD. By clicking on it, the entire MD becomes a do. So look, I will show you here. I will first use the click event of this AMTY button. As soon as I click on it, a function will run inside it. Now after coming inside it, as soon as the MD button is clicked, I want this DO which has the ID MTPD. This MD becomes a do. So look, I will first take the box selector here. And I have hashed the box here, and after that I will use the method here which is called MD. Look, you don't have to write anything inside this MT. It will just empty it. It will remove all the tags inside it. Look, it came here and I clicked on it. Look, we didn't put the hash before the empty pattern because it has an ID. I saved the file again, and look, this diff that is there has become completely empty. I will also inspect it and show you. I right-clicked and inspected it. Look, here is our element tab, and inside it, look, our box has become completely empty. I will refresh the page again and show you. Look, right now there is a heading and a paragraph inside the box. But as soon as I And here too, look at the HTML that is inside it. Both the heading and the paragraph have been removed. If I want to erase the heading that is inside it, I can do that too. Look at this. I made a little change in the selector that I created in my just target. I have written here the ID of the box that is inside it. And when it is erased, when will the heading that is inside it be erased? Look here, as if I clicked on it, it looks like the heading has been removed, but in reality, it has not happened. The edit tag is here, but the data that was inside it, the text data, has all been removed. So you have seen that MT works like this. Now I will tell you. How will the remove work? I copy the same code here, and see here on the remove, I had given the ID to the remove btn, so I replace it here. See, when I click on it, see I want to remove the entire box in it. So here I will use the method called remove. I saved the file here, and see here I clicked on the remove. See the entire box has been removed. I will also inspect it and show you what is coming directly to H1. But when you see the HTML code, see here after H1, the box that we had also hit, which had the ID attached, is not showing here. It was coming even after that. Now we are looking at the editor here, so it removed our entire box from the back. I will show you again, see here. Look, he removed our entire dub from the middle. It'll show you again. Look here. I haven't clicked on remove yet. Look after H1. The dub is coming. When I do MT, the dub stays here. The S2 inside it is its MT. I had deleted H2 inside the box here. But when I clicked on remove, look here. Now pay attention here. When I clicked on remove, the entire dub of the dub has been removed from here. You can remove any take. See, for example, if I want to remove the heading above, I click here. Thanks watching Sport my channel. Like, comment, subscribe.